Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to unlock your Bank of America account in 2025. If you've ever been locked out of your account due to forgotten passwords, suspicious activity, or too many login attempts, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but the good news is, it's totally fixable with a few simple steps. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, updated for 2025's latest security features. First things first, start by understanding why your account might be locked. Bank of America often locks accounts for security reasons, like multiple failed logins or unusual transactions. The quickest way to unlock it is through their mobile app. Open the Bank of America app on your phone, go to the login screen, and look for the Forgot Password or Unlock Account option. Enter your username or card details, and follow the prompts to verify your identity, usually with a one-time code sent to your email or phone. If that doesn't work, head over to the Bank of America website. Log in through the site, and you'll see a similar account locked message with options to reset. Make sure you're using a secure device and connection to avoid any further issues. Now, if you're still stuck, it's time to contact customer support. Call the number on the back of your card or visit the help section online. In 2025, they've streamlined this with AI chatbots for faster responses, but a real person might be needed for verification. Be prepared to answer security questions, provide your social security number, or confirm recent transactions. A few pro tips to prevent this in the future. Always use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Also, keep an eye on your account activity and set up alerts for any suspicious behavior. Remember, Bank of America's security measures are there to protect you, so don't skip them. There you have it. That's how you unlock your Bank of America account in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and secure out there.